Children, listen. Next exercise we are starting. That is exercise 5.2 in fifth chapter. That is what is that? Arithmetic progression. Okay. Shall we start? Right. Come on, listen. It's like a fill in the blank they are given, but don't think it's like a fill in the blank. It will take a lot of steps. So the question what they are telling. See, fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A, D, and AN and nth term. So A given, D given, AN given, AN only it's a nth term. Am I right? And N also given somewhere else there. N also given. So from this 4, any one they will not give. From the 4, any one they will not give. That one missing value we have to find. You see, in the first one, A is given, D is given, N is given, AN we have to find. AN formula we know very well. Am I right? That formula we have to use, we have to bring it. Like that. Here A is given, N is given, AN is given, D we have to find. Same AN formula we have to use. Okay. So here A is not given, D given, N is given, AN is given. Then we have to find same AN formula. Remaining also same thing. If they are talking about term, either nth term, this word nth term or term, if they are mentioning in the question, we have to use AN formula. Listen carefully. AN or nth term or term. In this 3 word, if you are looking anything, we have to use what formula? AN formula. Don't forget it. Okay. Nth term, term or AN. If they mention, we should use AN formula. Don't forget. Okay. Shall we start the first one? Then I'll give from this homework anything. Now first I will start. Okay. So I'm going to start with first question. Let me take first question. A value they given 7. From the table we are rewriting it. Okay. So given things we are taking. The given things I'm taking here. A value what they given? 7. What is given D? D value 3. What is given N value? 8. What we have to find? AN equal to question mark. Do you understand? Shall we? Right. We know the formula. What we have a formula? AN we have a formula. A plus N minus 1 into D. Now, N value they given 8. Then what I want to find? 8th term we have to find. That is the meaning. Okay. So, A value we know 7 from the given. N value 8 minus 1. D value what it is? 3. If it is plus 3, just 3 you mention. If it is minus 3, you should mention one more bracket. Understand? It's a plus 3, then no need to mention bracket. If you give the bracket also, it's not a problem. But minus 3 if it is come, you should give a bracket. Then only it will become a multiplication. Otherwise, it will come in the minus. You should be careful here. Then what I am getting here? 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 multiply what it is? 3. Okay. So, what it mean? 7 3s are 21. By using both mass, first multiple, then only addition. So, 7 3s are 21. After add 28. So, A8 equal to 28. That is AN. Here we have to say it's 28. Understand? First one is over. Like that we have to go. And second one, second one, what is given? A value minus 18. D value what is given? We have to find. Right. N value what is given? 10. Okay. AN value what is given? 0. Right. That's it. Now take everything. AN formula we have. Yes. A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 0 they said. A value minus 18. N value 10 they said. 10 minus 1. D value we have to find. Okay. Minus 18 when you send opposite. Plus 18. 10 minus 1, 9, D. 1, 9, how many time? 2 time. Then what is the D value? 2. Then 2 equal to D. That's it. Do you understand, children? Is it okay? Now, third. Right, third. Third, A is a question mark. A is a question mark. And D, yeah, D is what, my dear? Minus 3. And N value what, my dear? 18. And AN value ma? Minus 5 it's given. Then we have AN equal to the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value minus 5 it's given. A value we have to find. N value they said 18. Then minus 1. D value they given minus 3. Then what we have to do? The bracket. It's very important. Minus 3 we have to give inside the bracket. Okay. Right. Now you simplify this. Here we have a minus 5. A plus 18 minus 1, 17 into what it is? Minus 3. 17 into minus 3? Minus 51. Send this opposite. Minus 15 when you send opposite. Plus 51 which is equal to A. Subtract each. 46 equal to A. That is my required. Am I right? Right. And I am going now fourth one. I divided this in 2 pages. Is it visible or what? Huh? What, my dear? Homework. Homework can you take from this page? What did you say? Fifth one you are going to take homework. Is it okay? Then fourth one alone I will do. What happened? Okay, fifth one is a homework it seems. Okay, this fifth one, homework. It's the easiest one or what? Easy one, you know, D value 0, whole term became a 0. A value you will be getting as a AN. Understand? It's easy. It's what? Fifth one. Yeah. So what it is? Fourth one I'm going. A value what it is given? Minus 18.9. What is D value? 2.5. What is N value? Plus 2.5 man. Right. Okay. D N value question mark. AN value 3.6. Right. We have a formula. What formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value they given 3.6. A value minus 18.9 plus N value they given, no, we have to find. D value what? Plus 2.5 it seems. Minus 18.9 when you bring opposite, plus 18.9. Okay, which is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. See point after 1 digit. Then 189 plus 36. 189 plus 36 add. 15 remainder 1. 12 remainder 1, 2, 225. Then what I am getting 225 in the sense after 1 digit we have to give point. Am I right? Which is equal to, and send this 2.5 opposite you send. Multiple 2.5, what is it when you send opposite? Divide 2.5 which is equal to minus 1. In both numerator and denominator point after 1 digit. Then forget the 1 digit. How many 25 you have? 225. How many 25? 225. Huh? 9 times. 825, 200. 225 means 9 times. Okay. So how many times then? 9 times. Accurately it will cancel. After cancel, don't give point for 9. Understand? Here it is a division. It's 9. That's it. Okay. Or if you have a doubt, you multiple 10 in both numerator and denominator. Point will go. After if you cancel also, you will be getting 9. Okay. Right, don't get confused here. Right, now 9 minus 1 when you said opposite plus 1 equal to N. What I am getting now? 10. What is the N value? 10. That's it. So fourth one answer is 10 for N. Fifth one you said you are going to take homework. Is it okay, children? See, we have seen like a fill in the blanks, but how much work we have, you see. Okay, right. We are going the next. Second Roman, choose the best answer. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. This justify in the sense we have to show the steps. Okay. Now, 30th term, listen carefully. 30th term in the sense A30. 30th term in the sense what it means? A30. 30th term of the AP. AP is given, then we have to find 30th term. So, what is the AP for the first one? AP, you tell me. 10, 7, 4 and it's going on. Here we want to find 30th term. So 30th term in the sense A30 equal to what is the formula I know? A plus 29D. A30 means one number less from D. Or if you're not aware of that, write the formula. What is the AN formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. And here A value what? 10. D value in the sense A2 minus A1. What is the A1? A1 10, A2, A3, that's it. I'll go for substituting here. A2 value 7 minus A1 value 10 equal to minus 3. Right, now we'll come in the substitution. They asked to find A30. So A30 equal to A value 10, A30 in the sense N value 30, D value minus 3. Okay, now 10. 30 minus 1, 29, D value minus 3. Now multiple each, minus 29, 3s are 87. When we subtract, minus 77. Check the book bag answer, children. Is it getting correct? Option it is. Then what is the option? Good. C. One is over. Then we are going for the second. Second one is what? 11th term. Then what is meaning of 11th term? A11. Do you understand? A11. A11 is the question mark. AP is given. What is the AP? Minus 3, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, 2 and it's going on. They asked to find A11 equal to question mark. Here they asked A30 equal to question mark. Okay. Right. Here what is A value, children? Minus 3, because that is my A1. A1 only we have to say always first term. Okay. Right. D equal to what is the formula? A2 minus A1. A2 value minus 1 by 2 minus A1 value minus into minus plus 3. 3 when you remove half, 2 and half. 2 and half we can write as 5 by 2 or else take cross multiply. What I am getting? Minus 1, 3 2s are 6 divided 2 which is equal to plus 5 by 2. That is what? D value. What they asked to find? A11. A11 in the sense, what it mean? A plus 10D, 1 less. If they are telling 11, 10D. If they are telling 10, 9D. That you should remember. Then only we can go easily. Or else you want to write the formula. AN equal to, like previous, how we are done with the formula. Like that you have to go. Okay. Right. So, A value minus 3 plus 10 into D value 5 divided 2. If it is possible to cancel, we can do it. One time, how many time? 5. Right. After we cancel, we have here minus 3. 5 5s are 25. When we subtract, 22 plus 22 equal to 11th term of the AP. Is it okay, children? Option? What it is? B. B for both. Option B. Even MCQs also you have to work out like that. Then only you will be getting accurate answer. Understand? Right. Now we are going in the following APs. They said all the followings are AP. How many subdivision we have? 5 is there, no? In all the 5 are AP it seems. AP in the sense you people are allowed to use AN formula. AN equal to what formula? Okay. A plus N minus 1 into D we are allowed to use here. Right, fine. This is my A1. This is my A2. That is my A3. Then what I want to find in the first question? A2 I want to find. So, in the first question, A1, they are given that 2. Okay. A2 is a question mark. And A3, what they are given? 26. A3 in the sense what I know? A plus 2D I know. What I know A3 in the sense? 2D. Which is equal to what? 26. A value I know, I'm right. It's given. What is A value? 2 plus 2 times D equal to 26. Send the 2 plus 2 opposite. What I'm getting? 26 minus 2, which is equal to 24. What about D value then? 12 after we cancel the 2. Am I right? We can cancel now 1 2s are 12 times. Am I right, children? D value I got it. What they asked to find? A2. Then A2 equal to what is the formula? A plus 1D. 1 less. Okay, A value I know 2. D value I know plus 12. Then A2 is what? 14. A2 is what? 14. That's it. Question number 1 is over. Do you understand? Is it okay? Right. Now we are moving A3. So in the A3, A1 we have to find, A2 is given, even A3 also we have to find, A4 is given. What is given there we have to go first. Okay. What is given there we have to go, then only we will be getting idea. Second one, in the second, A2 is given. What is A2? 13. Right, fine. And A4 is given as 3. A2 in the sense A plus D equal to 13. Right. A4 in the sense A plus 3D equal to 3. This is 1, 2. Is it okay? Do you have any idea to solve this? Elimination method we have to go. Okay. When you subtract 1 and 2, automatically, yeah, A will cancel, D you will be getting. Okay. 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. That is your wish in your hand. You will be getting same answer. Whatever you do. A plus D equal to 13. 2 implies A plus 3 times D equal to 3. Minus symbol I am given for a second equation. So I am giving for second equation opposite sign I am giving. Plus in the sign minus, minus in the plus. All the things are plus, so I am giving opposite sign as a negative. So A will be cancelled here. Sorry. What will cancel? A will cancel. Then what I have? Minus 2D equal to plus 10. Okay. Highest number in the D we have minus, so that I'm getting. We can cancel this now. 1 time how many? 5. Then we cannot say minus D equal to, we can say D equal to minus 5. When I multiple minus 1 on both sides, minus will go to 5. Okay. Right. I got a D. Then I need a also. From 1 I am taking. 1 implies A, D value minus 5 equal to 13. Minus 5 when you send opposite. When I add what I am getting? 18 is the A value. So take A value, D value, substitute what they asked. A1. A1 in the same, that is A. Then 1 we got it. Okay. Next what they asked? A3. A3 in the sense A plus 2D is the mean. A value what I know? 18 plus 2 times D value what? Minus 5. So 18 plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10. When I subtract 8, which is what it is? A3. So A3 equal to 8 and A1 value is what? 18. Is it okay, children? Is it okay this? See, it is just like a fill in the blank also. This is also like a fill in the blank. But how much work we have, you see. Missing term you write like that, they said. Even though we have work. Understand? Right. Is it okay? Shall we go to next? Third. I'm going here. See, A1 they given. A2 we have to find. A3 we have to find. A4 it's given. Shall we go now? Shall we? What is given? A1. A1 in the sense 5. A1 only we can say as a A value. Okay. And A4 is given. A4 in the sense. A4 is what is given? 9 by 2. A4 is what? A plus 3D is mean. Am I right? A4 in the sense A plus 3D is meaning. This is in mixed fraction. You can simplify this. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2 then. 19 by 2. Mixed fraction when we convert into rational, we are getting 19 by 2. Is it okay? Now, A value what I know? 5 plus 3 times D equal to 19 by 2. Send this 5 opposite. Plus 5 when we send opposite. Minus 5. Take cross multiple, children. So, what I am getting? 19 minus 5 2s are 10 divided 2. Here we have 3 times. When I subtract 10, what I am getting? 9 by 2. I have 3 times D. The 3 times I can cancel with the D now. 1, 3. How many 3? 3, 3. Then what is my A value? Sorry, D value. 3 by 2. What is my A value? 3 by 2. Is it okay? Now I have A and D. Then we can find whatever we need. Am I right? We need what? We need what? A2. So A2 is equal to, I know, A plus D. A value 5 is given. D value we found that 3 by 2. When I add each, take cross multiple. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 divided 2 equal to 13 divided 2. It is A2. Second term we got it. Okay. Next what they asked to find? A3 we have to find. So A3 when I go, A plus 2 times D. A value they are given 5. 2 times D value what, my dear? 3 by 2. Here, sorry, 3 by 2. So here we can cancel, numerator 2, denominator 2. Then what is my answer? 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So A3 is equal to, what I am getting? 8. Is it okay, the third one? Fourth subdivision. Here a lot of question they asking, right? So A1 it's given, A2 question mark, A3 question mark, A4 question mark, A5 question mark, A6 is given. Shall we? Right. So what is given, that we have to take always. So given is A1 in the sense A is given as minus 4. A6 is given, that is 6. A6 in the sense what it means, A plus 5 times D equal to 6. A value we know what it is, minus 4 plus 5 times D equal to 6. Minus 4 is an opposite, plus. So what I am getting? Plus 4. So 5 times D equal to 10. When I cancel, 1 time, how many? 2 time. Okay. So D equal to I am getting as 2. I got a D value, I got a value. Whatever we need, we can find, I hope. Am I right? Right. What I need? First, A2. A2 in the sense A plus D. A value minus 4. D value plus 2, which is equal to minus 2. That is what? A2. That is what? A2. And A3 we need to find now. A3 is what? A plus 2 times D. A value minus 4. Good. 2 into D value plus 2. So what I am getting? Minus 4. 2 2s are 4. What I am getting? A3? 0. What I am getting? A3? 0. Right. Next. A4. A4 equal to, what it mean? A plus 3D. Right. So A value minus 4 plus D value 2. Right. So minus 4. 3 2s are 6. When I subtract, plus 2, my dear, highest number plus. So A4 is plus 2. Okay. Next we are going A5. So A5 equal to, what it mean? A plus 4 times D. So A value minus 4 plus 4 times D value 2. So minus 4. 4 2s are 8. When I subtract each, plus 4. So A5 is plus 4. Is it okay? It's a lot. Shall we go next? That is fifth one. What is fifth one? Fifth one, here A1 missing, A2 it's given, A3 missing, A4 missing, A5 missing, A6 given. Shall we find? Right. Right. So A2 is given. What is A2? 38 is given. And A6 is given. What is? Minus 22. Minus 22. So then what is the formula? What it is? A2 in the sense A plus D equal to 38. Answer number 1. A6 means A plus 5D equal to minus 22. Answer number 2. So we can go with a elimination method like third chapter. So A can cancel very easily. 1 minus 2 I am going, or 2 minus 1 also you go if you want. So A plus D equal to 38. A plus 5 times D equal to minus 22. When I change opposite sign, here I am getting minus, this will be plus. Because when we subtract, we should give opposite sign. Am I right, children? Am I right or wrong? Right. Then A will be cancelled. What will be cancelled? A will be cancelled here. Plus A minus A will be cancelled. We are going for the answer. Minus 4 times D equal to, both are plus now. When we add 60, right. 1 4, how many 4? 60. 1 4, how many time? 15. Then D equal to what? Minus 15. D use minus, you send opposite. Minus 15. D value we got as minus 15. A we need to know. Take to substitute in 1. So 1 implies A value I don't know. D value I know minus 15. A equal to I have 38. Minus 15 when you send to opposite, plus 15. When you add each, what I am getting? 53. Am I right? Right. A equal to 53. That's it. Now take A and D. We are substituting in the required. Yeah, A in the sense what it means? A1. So A1 we got it. Okay. Now A3 we have to go. A3 equal to A plus 2 times D. What is A value? 53. It's big. Plus 2 times D value. Minus 15. Right. Then 53. 2 into minus 15 minus 30. When I subtract each, 23 is the A3. Okay. Right. And A4. A4 in the sense A plus 3 times D. Okay, 1 less. When we are telling a fourth term, 1 number is less in D when we write. Okay. So A value is the 53 plus 3 times D value minus 15. So what I am getting? 53 minus 45. When I subtract 8. So A4 is 8. Right. Next A5. Where I am going? A5. A5 in the sense A plus 4 times D. A value 53 plus 4 times D value minus 15. So 53 minus 4 15s are 16. Minus 7. Highest number containing negative. So minus 7. Is it over everything? I'm right. Now next one we are going. What is the fourth one? Which term? Here very important, you underline the which term. Not only which term, number of term, how many term, find n. These things if they ask, we have to find an formula. Okay, listen carefully. Which term, number of terms, how many terms, find n. In four manner they will ask. Which term, number of term, how many term, find n. Everything in this 4. Whatever the word is coming, we have to use an formula. But we have to find n. Listen carefully. So you should careful with this. In this 4 word if they are given, we have to use an formula. But we need to find n. It's important. Do you understand? This 4 word if they are given, we have to use an formula. But when we simplify, what we are going to get it? N value we are going to get it. It's important. The same book back question, they may ask how many term, number of term, find n, like that. Okay, ready with all those things. Shall we enter now? Shall we go? Right. What is the first you mention the terms. This is my A1, A2, A3, A4, and which term in the sense? Which term in the sense? We don't know which term. So generally we can say what it is, an. So which term is 78? Then this is what, an. Which term is 78 in the sense an is 78. That is the meaning. Do you understand the concept? Right. Now what all given, that we can go. Here are given. In the given, what is a value, children? A in the sense a1. What is a1? 3. What is the d? a2 minus a1. a2 value 8 minus 3 equal to 5. an what they given? 78. an what I know? an equal to what I know? A plus n minus 1 into d formula. I told you, no, an in the sense, we are, I mean, which term in the sense we should use this formula. an what is given? 78 equal to a value 3, n value don't know, because that is we have to find. D value 5, 3 you bring opposite. 78 minus 3 equal to n minus 1 into 5. When I subtract 75, multiply when you say opposite, divide, equal to n minus 1. How many 5 you will be getting? 15. Okay. Minus 1 when you send to opposite, plus 1. So 15 minus 1 when you send opposite, plus 1 equal to n. Then 16 equal to n. Therefore, how you will complete? In 16th term is 78. That is the concept. Okay. So which term of the AP is 78? 16th term is 78. Therefore, 16th term of AP is 78. You should complete like this very clearly. Understand? And put the box for n. Okay. That's it. Is it okay? Right. One more. We are going 5th one. We have a 2 subdivision. Here, what they are telling? Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So here what they said very clearly, they said AP it seems. In the sense we can allow to use an formula. Is it okay? Right. Now number of, what is that? Find number of term. Have you noticed what it mean? an formula. Find an formula need to use. See, they said number of terms. That is the keyword. So we can use an formula, but we should find n. We should find n. That is the keyword I said in the previous question. Okay. So an formula we should use. Now I'm going here. This is my a1, a2, a3. This is my last term. Last term we can consider as a an. When I'm giving introduction, I told you. Last term we can consider as a an. Like that. Here also, this is my a1, a2, a3. This is my last term as a an. Do you understand? Shall we go now? Shall we? First one, are you taking homework? Is it okay? Same formula. You take as a homework. First one you take as a homework. Second one I will do. Is it okay? Right. Now I'm going with the second question, children. In the second, first let me write the AP better. 15 1 by 2, it's a mixed fraction. 13, it's going on till minus 47. Then that's my first term, second term, third term, last term we can consider as a an. I told you very clearly. Now here, what is my a? A in the sense first term is what? 18. What is my d? D formula? a2 minus a1 equal to 15 and half. That we can write 15 and half minus 18. 15 and half minus 18, 2 and half. Am I right? Am I right? Directly you can go if you are comfortable. 15 and a half minus 18 minus 2 and a half. Good. Minus 2 and a half. Minus 2 and a half you convert into later. What you will be getting minus 2 and a half when you convert it into rational? Minus 5 by 2. Okay. Or else you want to do lot of work. Better you go like this. Minus 2 and a half. Okay. Then when you take simplify, what I am getting? 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So minus 5 by 2 you will be getting. Very simple. Or else here you want to do fraction work. 30, 31 by 2 minus 18. Take cross multiple. 31 minus what is that? 18 2s are 36. Divided 2 equal to what we are getting? Minus 5 by 2. For that you can go directly, no? Am I right? Better you move it. You have to learn these things. 15 and a half minus 18 minus 2 and a half. You can go surely with the mixed fraction. Then later we can convert into like that. Which you feel better, you just go, not a problem. I will write both. Okay. With minus 5 by 2. This is R. Either go like this or like this. So D value we know minus 5 by 2 here. Right. Now what I am going to find? N value. What I am going to use? AN. So what is my AN? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, that is last L value, it's here. Here. AN, that is last term, equal to minus 47. You write in given, okay? Right. So AN is what? Minus 47 equal to A value plus 18 plus N minus 1 into D value minus 5 divided 2. Understand? 18 you bring opposite. Plus 18 when you bring opposite, minus 18, which is equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 divided 2. Right. When we have a minus in both the term, what you will do? Add, put the same sign. Then what is the number? 40, 50, 65. Minus 65. And multiple, minus 5 by 2 when you said opposite. Reciprocal. In reciprocal, 2 by 5. Usually it will come in minus 5 by 2. In denominator it will come. When you take to numerator, it will go to reciprocal. So directly can I write 2 by 5? Is it okay? Right. Is it understand? Here we can go in two step very clearly. Minus 65. Multiple value when you bring opposite, divide. This step I can write as minus 65 into minus 2 by 5. Is it okay? Or else let it be both. Both. Okay. Then what I have? Minus N minus 1 here. Then take to numerator. So what I am getting when I take to numerator? Minus 65. When I take to reciprocal, minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 when you send the opposite, plus 1 equal to N. Now simplify this. Minus minus will become a plus. 1 time, how many time? 13. 13 2s are 26 plus 26 because minus into minus plus. Plus 1 already it is there. When I add both, N equal to 27. So number of term is what? 27. They ask number of term directly. Then finishing number of term is 27. That's it. Or N also enough. Leave it. Right. Second. Oh, is that second? Oh, then I didn't use that page. I thought for next term we can use that page. So I left it. Okay. You can use this now. Right. Okay. I'm going next one. What is that? Check whether. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. Minus 150 is a term of AP. Term in the sense what it means? Usually term generally without mentioning what is anything, which number of term without mentioning they are telling, it is what? AN. What it is? AN. Then minus 150 is a term. Then AN. We don't know which term. 10th term, 20th term, we don't know. Is a term. So AN of the AP. They are asking to check. So we are going to take as a AN and we are going to check whether it's contained or not. How we can check, sir? Contained or not? Very simple. If you consider as a AN, when we simplify, what you will be getting the answer? N. N should come to positive or else non-negative. Non-negative integer. What, my dear? Non-negative integer. That means it can come 0 or any positive value. It's integer. It's integer. Do you understand? N value should come non-negative positive integer, then only yes, the minus 150 is a term of the AP, we can say. Suppose if you are getting any negative value or if you are getting any P by Q format, what we have to say? No, it's not in the given AP. We have to say what? No, it's not in the given AP. Which is not in the given AP? Minus 150, it's not in the given AP. Because number of term in the sin, it should come always positive. And it should be like a whole number. That's what non-negative integer. When we count, we never count off people. Am I right? Anybody absent, we will say it is a 0. The next number 1, 2, 3. So you are too small. I can consider as a half ticket. So 1, 1.5, 2.5. Shall we count like that? No. In bus they may consider like that. But in originally, when we count number of head or number of people or number of things, we cannot count half or full or. Okay. We have to consider always 1, 2, 3. It's a counting. That's what natural number also called a counting number they will be telling. Understand? So here it should be positive or 0. If you are getting negative or P by Q format, that means it should be integer. Integer in the sense it never be in the form of P by Q. Am I right? Am I right? It can be by 1. But apart from that, it never. Am I right? So we'll start this. Shall we go now? I'm going to check whether it is there or not. Shall we? Yeah. We are going to check here what is AN minus 150. What is A? This is my first term, second term, third term, fourth term. A equal to A1. A1 is what? 11. Then what is D value? A2 minus A1. Then D equal to A2 value 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. Understand? Now I'm going to use the formula AN. So we have the formula AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value is minus 150 equal to A value 11 plus N minus 1 into D value is minus 3. Understand? Minus 150, 11 you bring opposite, minus 11. Here N minus 1 into minus 11. Understand? Sorry, minus 3. Now you add this together, minus 60, 161. Okay. And minus 3 when you bring opposite, divide minus 3 because it is in multiplication. Okay. So N minus 1 we have there. Is it possible to cancel anything? Is it? Yeah, it will come decimal, but N value should not come in decimal, my dear. It should be non-negative positive integer. Okay. Right. But minus we can cancel. 161 divided 3. Minus 1 when you bring opposite, plus 1 equal to N. Take cross multiple. So what I am getting? 161 plus 3 divided 3 equal to N. 164 by 3 equal to N. Is it possible to cancel? No. So the N value does not belongs to what it is? Non-negative positive integer. Positive integer. It's very important. Does not belongs to non-negative positive integer. So, or then minus 150 is not in given AP. Do you understand? Not is very important. Or no also you can say. No, it's not in AP. Understand? Is it okay, children? It's very important question. Same model we have one sum and example also. It's very important. Maximum they will ask in 2 marks. Understand? Right. So enough. After the lunch, if possible, we can come, or else enough today. Okay. Right. We just start to write.